Guys, 2007 GMC Yukon Denali 6.2 liter. What we got done on this beautiful beast? Factory converter. Then it's got that massive 3.5-inch pipe. And what we did, took the muffler off and put a DYNOMAX race bullet 24250. I love how companies love to put stickers on top of that, original stickers. I never understood that. But anyways, there'll be a link in the description for it. It's 24250 right there. Then we added 3-inch pipe to complete it because the DYNOMAX bullet is only this big. It's tiny. Continued the original 3-inch pipe. Then the resonator usually comes here. We took it off and ran 5-inch stainless steel tip out the back. As you guys can see there, came out really nice, really clean. There she is. There's the resonator that was on it. There's the tailpipe. And there's a huge muffler that was on it that we took off. That's what it is after. Again? 150. Again? That sounds so good. DYNOMAX race.